Here is how you complete a quick outline. Your quick outline consists of 3 different components. The first component is your topic sentence. The second component are your facts. And the third component is your concluding sentence. When you're completing your quick outline, your topic sentence and concluding sentence will always be a complete sentence. You will note this by the solid line. Whenever you see a solid line, you know that you need to complete or use a complete sentence. Your topic sentence should be the main idea of your paragraph, and your concluding sentence should reiterate or tell me why this is important. Your facts, here I just have 3 listed, but typically you have 4. Your facts, you can use abbreviations and summaries, and you do not need to use complete sentences. You will note this by the dotted line. Whenever you see a dotted line, it means that you do not need to use a complete sentence. Symbols and abbreviations are encouraged when writing your facts. Here is an example of a quick outline. Topic sentence, why is it important for all Americans to vote? Your facts, it's a constitutional right, civic duty and responsibility, and every vote counts. Finally, a concluding sentence, why is this important? We don't want you to forget to vote. Here is a great example of some sentence starters that may be helpful for you. For your topic sentences, you may want to focus on the introduction. For the concluding sentences, you may want to focus on conclusion sentence starters. You are welcome to use any of these to start off your sentences with. These are just some helpful starters and hints. And that's how we complete our quick outline.